Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 83. My day has started off just all messed up. I overslept. I slept like 45 minutes longer than usual. I usually get up every morning at the same time. I don't have an alarm clock, anything like that. My body just naturally wakes up. This morning, my body did not naturally wake up. I was about 45 minutes later than usual. So usually when I'm been done with my workout, I was just getting out of bed, and I am just not feeling today at all. I had a couple cups of coffee and I was like, you know what, I'll go get my exercise in. Maybe that'll get me out of my funk. I rode like a mile and said, you know what, I don't even want to do this today. So only a very, very short, tiny piece of a workout today because like I said, I'm just not feeling it. Then today was the day we were going to put in the sinks for Mama Badger's bathroom. We're going to put one sink in, and the other sink, we found a couple of spots that have not dried all the way. They're still they're still tacky and sticky. So we did some research. We're going to let them dry for another week, but we may actually have to like scrape up that part and redo it. Man, I hope not. That will suck. And I don't know if it'll look as good as the first pour did. So I'm really kind of worried about that and what it's going to look like when it's all said and done. So anyway, I'm going to at least get that part done. And then we'll probably come out here and start working on the soffit. Mama Badger seems to be kind of in a pushy mood this morning because she's like, all right, we're going to measure that out and we're going to do this. And so she's in a pushy mood in the day that I'm just not feeling life. So this could be an interesting day at the Badger compound. Anyway, I already had coffee, but I may just go get a third cup just because I can. Anyway, we'll talk to you later.
What's he doing?
Fixing your shit.
There it is, people. He's putting it together for me.
Where you going? Where you going? She does this shit to me, and then she just hides herself. What the fuck? Alright guys, so I got sink and faucet in. Everything is worky. Yay! I think Mama Badger likes it, but she wouldn't be on camera because she's not camera ready. Anyway, this one's all set. This one we're gonna wait another week because we still have a couple of little spots that are sticky on the counter here. Hopefully we don't have to like tear it up and redo it. Fingers crossed, guys. I do not want to tear that up and redo it. So we're gonna wait to put this sink and faucet in until we figure that part out. But anyway, we're halfway there. And now it's time to figure out what's next. See you in a few. There's a funky light on there. Is that better? Ha! The little thing is gone. Woohoo! Alright, onward and upward. Hi guys, so since we couldn't do the bathroom all the way, Mama Badger's like, alright, well let's go outside and do the soffit project. Fuck my life. Anyway, we got soffit in the truck and we're getting ready to tackle this. So we'll see if it looks any different in a few hours or if we need to hire a professional.
We got this. We can do anything.
Okay. You heard it here first, people. We can do anything. Let's see how this goes. All right, guys. First piece is in. Look at that fucking craftsmanship. Problem is, this is white and those are dirty. So now I'm going to have somebody come clean them so that they match. Or I'm going to have to replace it all. We'll make Mama replace it all.
I'll be out here with the power washer.
She's already anticipating power washing it. Anyway, that piece actually went pretty good. Knock on wood, let's see if we can get this done. My shoulders got sore, so Mama Badger took over. Look at her being over here all demanding and stuff.
Give me some nails.
Oh, Anyway, here's what we got done so far. Looks way better than when we started. Well, you can tell where the cutoff line is. Dirty. And then all nice and clean.
Oh shit.
She's dropping shit now.
Hello, I need help.
Well, we know you need help. Everybody in this entire community
me to drop
knows
it, so I lean down.
that's it. At 100%. Anyway, it's moving right along. Chugga-lugga, chugga-lugga. Alright guys, we're calling it quits for the day. I'm beat. But here we go. Got all the way to this corner done. And then all the way down there done. A couple pieces fixed over here. And yeah, that's it for today. Tomorrow I think we're going to Thunder by the Bay. Thunder at the Bay. Thunder some kind of bay. See our friends. Check out the motorcycles. All that fun stuff. Then next weekend is Nerdy Badger's 22nd birthday. So I know next weekend's completely packed with Nerdy Badger stuff. So we won't be working on the house. Yay! I think I might put the other sink in if that's all dried. Anyway, it was a nice day. A little windy, but like 70s. So we will take it because when it gets hot here, man, it's hard to work outside. Anyway, I'm gonna go clean up and make Mama take me out to dinner. I think she owes me dinner. All this work I'm doing for her on her house. I mean, come on. All right, we'll see you in a bit.